In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image in GIMP with your mouse, step by step, using the Scale tool. This is one of the easiest ways to make an image bigger or smaller without needing any complicated editing skills. If you work with screenshots, photos, thumbnails, or graphics, this simple technique can save you a lot of time. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to resize. Once your image is on the canvas, look over to the toolbox and find the Scale tool. The icon looks like a small box expanding into a larger box. If you prefer using a shortcut, you can press Shift and S on your keyboard to activate it instantly. Now that the Scale tool is selected, click anywhere on your image. You should see a grid overlay appear along with rectangular handles around the edges and corners of the picture. These handles are what you'll use to resize the image with your mouse. To make the image smaller, click and hold one of the corner handles, then drag it inward. If you want to make the image larger, drag the same corner handle outward. As you move your mouse, you'll see the image adjust in real time, which makes it very easy to stop exactly when it looks right. One very important tip here is to keep the image proportional so it doesn't stretch or look distorted. To do that, hold down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while dragging the handle. This locks the aspect ratio, which means the width and height will stay balanced as you resize. If you skip this step, the image can become warped, especially if you're resizing a logo, portrait, or any graphic that needs to stay clean and accurate. So whenever you want a natural-looking resize, remember to keep that key pressed while you drag. Once your image is the size you want, take a final look to make sure it fits your project properly. If everything looks good, click the Scale button in the floating pop-up window. You can also press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the change. GIMP will then apply the resize and update your image on the canvas. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to resize an image in GIMP with your mouse in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful skill for anyone editing images, creating content, or preparing visuals for social media and websites. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple GIMP tutorials and beginner-friendly software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.